celebrate the unity and rich diversity of India.
आज का दिन उन संविधान शिल्पियों को स्मरण करने का, उन्हें नमन करने का और उन्हें अपनी सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करने का दिन है।
Let us pause to honor the promise written in our Constitution, a promise shaped by dreams and sealed with sacrifice.
Now, Director Sir is receiving the Guard of Honor by NCC NIT Silchar, led by the Commander Under Officer Vishnu Vardhan Verma. आज हवा का हर जर्रा ऐलान करे, ये मिट्टी किसी से कम नहीं ये मान करे, सरहद से दिल तक एक ही पहचान, उठ रहा है तिरंगा, जाग रहा हिंदुस्तान।
The Honorable Director Sir is now proceeding to unfurl the national flag. I kindly request everyone to stand in their positions. Now, the Central Commander Senior Under Officer Karan Srivastava will seek permission from Honorable Director of NIT Silchar for parade inspection.
अब सेंट्रल कमांडर सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर करण श्रीवास्तव माननीय डायरेक्टर सर से परेड निरीक्षण की अनुमति प्राप्त करते हुए Next, we have the NCC Senior Division, 2nd Platoon, marching towards the dais, led by the Platoon Commander, Under Officer Ravi Nayan, with Company Sergeant Master Tejaswi Kumar, serving as the flag bearer of the NCC Senior Division, 2nd Platoon.
Next, we have the NSS Boys 1st Platoon marching towards the dais, led by Platoon Commander Sawan Kumar, with Gunamani Bora serving as the flag bearer of NSS Boys 1st Platoon.
Next, we have the Girls Platoon marching right towards the dais, led by the Commander Yeram Naga Shashanka, with Ritvika Reddy serving as the flag bearer of the NSS Girls Platoon.
Next, we have the Boys 2nd Platoon marching towards the dais, led by Platoon Commander Dilip H, with Abhilasha Singh serving as the flag bearer of NSS Boys 2nd Platoon.
Next, we have the platoon of Aryabhatta marching right towards the dais, led by the platoon commander Kunal Saha, with Ritik Singh serving as the flag bearer of the Aryabhatta platoon.
26 January 1950 and to assert our commitment to the guiding principles enshrined in our Constitution, we pay tribute to the enduring spirit of democratic ideals, the vibrant diversity, relentless resilience, and unwavering strength that define the soul of our great nation. The Republic Day stands as testament of how far we have come as a nation since January 26, 1950. It is a day to honor the visionaries who defined our Constitution, laying the foundation for an independent, progressive, and inclusive India. This year, we are celebrating the Republic Day with the central theme of 150 years of Vande Mataram, celebrating the legacy of the song composed by Rishi Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Friends, it is a well-known fact that India is the largest and the most vibrant democracy in the world. Since independence, the experience of all Indians in the democratic functioning of our system, be it in our social, political, economic, or spiritual discourse, has been commendable and worth emulating.